Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So, here's how to reduce app size on your iPad, covering several methods. So, to check app sizes, you need to go to Settings first, then go to General tab, then tap on the iPad storage option, and you'll see a list of your apps and how much space they're using. You might notice some apps are quite large. So, tap on the large application that you see, and there is an option called Offload app. This feature allows you to free up storage taken by app itself when keeping its documents and data. When you reinstall the app, it will resume with all your existing data. This effectively reduces the app's footprint without fully deleting it. Additionally, you can try other common methods to free up storage, like deleting and reinstalling an app, which can sometimes reduce its size, though it varies. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.